Good morning, it's Christine from Periwinkle Planner Co. And today I wanted to show you the June digital planner sticker offerings for the A5 Erin Condren compact vertical, but you can also use the month in any of the A5s. And I've also been using my compact vertical stickers for my daily duo. And I'm sure they'd work in the horizontal too. So multiple uses for these cute sticker sheets. So here's June. I've reformatted it a little bit, different font and a little bit bigger. It fits a little better on the page, I feel. And it's got your boxes and your washi tape and all of this decor. And then I have this one that I'd say is for the first week. I wonder if I zoomed this one in too far. Let me see. Did I bring it in too far? I hope not. Okay, and then this I'm using for my first week in June. It has some umbrellas with flowers. It's probably more of a April-May kind of kit, but I drew it myself and I wanted to use it. So again, you've got your headers, and now I've changed the June ones into strips. Instead of the individual headers, this will fit across. And it does prevent you from setting it up any way you wanted. I suppose you could cut them if you wanted to, but I just felt that it fit better and it looked better, and it covered the pre-printed holidays better also. So here's the first one. And now the second week goes along with the month. It's kind of from the same designs, just a little bit smaller print. Cute little birdhouse down here with the word hello. And I've added to pay for the month of June also in each one of these, along with the remember and the important. And then the next week also is the same theme design. You can switch these around, use them whatever weeks you want to use them. So this one, you know, it kind of coordinates with this one too, which also coordinates with the month. And then you got these other two to stick in between wherever you feel like using them. And then the last one, since I did the blue dogs last month, I did the pink cats for this month. So it's a little kitty with the pink, and then it says meow. It's real hard to see, but it's real small in the background. And again, the pink polka dots, like how the dog one had the blue, and some hearts. So that's what we got. So we have this one. These two are the two that are different. And then these two, or three, two are similar to the month. To the month. There you go. So until next time, bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to be notified every single time that we upload. Bye. We'll see you in the next one.